So you ready to try
All right,
lasagna?
yeah, I've taken too long to build
Okay.
it. So let's try the lasagna. Tell us.
So with lasagna, we're doing traditional lasagna, but the key with the lasagna and the cauliflower is that you're replacing noodles with the pizza crust. And it's phenomenal, and it's low carb, and it's healthy. What do you think? Oh, Chelsea's already into it.
Chelsea.
Nice.
All right, but let's fast forward. How do we make dessert with cauliflower? This is crazy. I mean, this is literally crazy town. We all had some issues with cauliflower growing up, and now I'm eating cookies.
Okay, so this is
can I eat one of these?
Nana's chocolate chip cookies. We're using,
Dig in, Chelsea.
We're using
I don't know if I'm gonna believe this one.
We're using dark chocolate chip cookies, and Nana, my mother-in-law, is very healthy, so she uses things like applesauce instead of oil. It is a soft cookie. It could be considered a bar, very high in fiber, packed with protein, very nutritious.
Very, very healthy.
We call it antioxidant cookies.
I love it. I love all of it. Chelsea, be honest.
The French toast was my favorite. I
Okay.
feel like the French toast tasted totally like real French toast. This one's a little
No, all three are a
softer,
winner
but
because
they're- yeah, I would never know it was cauliflower.
If there's a takeaway here, and Amy, you're sharing it with everyone, it's this. You do not truly have to give up the food you love, whether it be lasagna, French toast, cookies. There are ways to make them healthy, and this is a wonderful example of that. Everyone in the audience, you're lucky you're going home with a copy of Amy's new cookbook called Cauliflower Kitchen. Chelsea, thanks for being a sport.
Chelsea,
Amy, thank you for sharing these.
Thank you so much.
We're gonna have all these recipes and more at our website, thedoctorstv.com.